Hello, and I'm back once more. So we were about to go to the variation 2, meaning uh, we will be able to find out another strategy. Okay? Now, before we go to the variation 2, let me check first if the answer is correct. So what you were about to see here is 3 grams and 4 grams for plum is 3, and for number 4 is for the peaches, or 1 peach I mean. What will happen here is, suppose you were about to substitute these. This is 3, this is 4, this is 4, this is 4. Get the total. It has a total of 15. Correct. Very good. Now 3 plus 3 plus 4 equals 10. Once more, correct. Meaning it is already proven that the answer is 3 grams and 4 grams. Just to be sure, I will give you another variation. What if we didn't double the 1 plum and 3 peaches that weighs 15 grams, but instead we will double the 2 plums together with 1 peach that weighs 10 grams. Now, I will show you the situation for variation 2. Okay, so this is variation 2. So in variation 2, according to our given, it has a total weight of 15 grams, meaning 1 plum and 3 peaches. It has a total weight of 15 grams. But 2 plums together with 1 peach, it weighs 10 grams. Now, your goal here is to solve for one piece of plum in terms of weight and the weight of one peach. Now, instead of doubling the 15, what if you will about to double instead these, or let's say triple. We're about to triple instead to eliminate these um, peaches. What will happen? It will be look like this. So 3 times 2 just to eliminate the peaches. Double this won't be enough. I will show you the proof later. This has a total of 30 grams. Okay? Now, what we are about to do here is, since 30 is greater compared to 15, we need to eliminate these small things. 1 plum, 3 peaches. So what you will see here, the remaining are the plums. Okay, so we need to represent 5 blocks to represent the number of plums. So what will happen here? 30 minus 15. Since we already eliminate these, it will become 15. Now, please take note that the block represented as the weight of one plum. 15 divided by 5, that will become 3 grams. And therefore, it is already proven from our previous variation that answer is correct. Now, what if you're about to find out the weight of the peach? So there are 2 steps in solving 2 variable. Okay? Now, what you will about to see here is, um, we already know that this is 3. Now, to solve this part, you need to subtract 15 by 3, and that will result to 3 blocks as approaches 15 minus 3, weighing 12 grams. Now, how about for one piece of peach, or the weight of one peach. So one block as approaches 12 divided by 3 due to its previous number, 3 blocks. So it is 4 grams. And it makes sense because from our previous answer, it's still the same answer. So this is the advantage of using different variations so that you will be able to see the point of view of others' perspective. Okay. Now, what if I want to show you the variation 3 and 4? This time we will use algebra. Okay. Now, variation 3 and variation 4. What will happen here is let x be the weight of plum. Y will be the weight of peach, single peach. Okay. Now, one plum together with 3 peaches weighs 15 grams, but 2 plums together with 1 peach weighs 10 grams. Now, you will be able to solve this equation in such a way. What will happen instead is you need to eliminate. Teacher, how to do that? Now, if you want to eliminate the what do you call this? The plum, you may be able to multiply these by 2. So again, if you will want to eliminate the plums, you just have to double this thing. Now, what will happen? This is the equation. Please don't forget. This is the representation. Now, distributive property. So 2x plus 3, it's not 3, but it is 6. Y is equal to 30. This will become 2x plus y is equal to 10. So we will be able to eliminate right now. So cancel. So what will happen there? It will become 5y is equal to 20. Divide both sides by 5 and the result for y is equal to 4. Same thing with the weight of the peach. Now, if you want to find out the weight of the plum, you may use any equation you like. So it still work. Don't worry. Okay. As long as you know the y already, substitute. Solve for the value of x. So 2x is equal to 10 minus 4. That will result to 6. So 2x equals 6. Divide both sides by 2 to eliminate the coefficient 2. And x will become 3. So same thing. Same answer. Okay. Now, I'm about to show you the variation 4 once more. I just want to represent x for the weight of plum, y for the weight of peach. Equation. So x plus 3y is equal to 15. One plum together with 3 peaches is 15 grams, but 2 plums together with 1 peach weighs 10 grams. Now, if you want to eliminate the weight of the peaches, you just need to multiply both sides by 3 for the second equation to eliminate again. Okay? So what will happen here? This will become 6x plus 3y is equal to 30 from the second equation. Now for the first equation, 1 plum together with 3 peaches, it will become 15 grams. By means of elimination, you will see that this will be cancelled. So this will become 5x equals 45. I know, sorry, is that addition? So it is subtraction, so 15. So divide both sides by 5. So x is equal to 3. So the weight of the plum is 3. Now, you may use any equation you like. So you may suggest any. So probably I may use the second equation. So 2 times 3 added by y is equal to 10. If you want to solve this, just multiply these numbers. So this will become 6 plus y equals to 10. Additive inverse, y is equal to 10 minus 4. And the result will become what? Sorry, is that 4? 6. So it is 4. Okay. Now, what you can see here is about the variations. So that is the advantage of using different variation, different strategies. You will see that the consistency of your answer will guarantee that your answer might be correct. Again, uh, more variations you will do, the better. So use your time wisely in solving word problems. If ever you have extra time, try to use different variations just to be sure with your different answers. So thank you for watching, everyone. Hope to see you next video. So probably on my next video, I may post different topics. I'd like to ask you to leave some comments below for any suggestions for any topics you like to discuss. So thank you once more. So bye bye.